People love to say it takes money to make money. But here's the truth. In 2025, that's a lie. Right now, there are 5 income streams you can start with literally $0. No investment, no trust funds, no special connections. Just you, consistency, and a little bit of hustle. And today I'm going to show you exactly what they are and how you can start them today. But before you do that, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Most people live their entire lives depending on one single paycheck, one job, one boss, and one stream of money. And you know what that means? It means you are always one bad day away from being broke. The wealthy don't like that. They build multiple streams of income. If one slows down, the others keep flowing. That's how you build freedom. And good news is, you don't need money to start building streams. You just need executions. So let's dive into it. The 5 streams I'm about to tell you are the easiest to start. Service-based hustles, that means you can take your skills you already have, or one you can learn for free online, just watching YouTube videos or any other social media sources, and turn this into the income. So the first stream is the easiest one to start. It's a service-based hustle. That means you take your skill you already have, or learn one quickly by watching videos online, and turn that into the income stream. That could be video editing, social media management, teaching somebody online, bookkeeping, or like virtual assistants. If you got an internet connection, you can learn those skills in weeks or quicker. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, even Facebook groups are filled with people looking for help. Zero startup cost for that. I know a guy who started editing TikTok videos for $15 an hour. Within a year, he got enough clients to make $5,000 plus a month. And that's just simple video editing. He offered a service, built trust, and delivered it. Let's talk about second stream of income. It's digital products. That could be a number of things, like ebooks, templates, guides, online courses, online games. The beauty about it, you create one and you can sell it many really indefinite amount of times. Let's say you know how to build strong resume. You design a resume template, you list it online on Etsy. Let's say you sell it for $9.99 or $10, you sell 500 copies. That's a $5,000 from something you built once. I mean, the funny story, yesterday, I was looking for some game to play with my family, and I was looking for music bingo. Well, the problem is I didn't want to sit there and freaking come up with songs, come up with, idea, the whole game, the develop template and stuff. I would spend hours to do that. So I went on Etsy and I bought one for like $3.50 or $3.99. And how many people bought that thing? Probably thousands, right? So how much money that one person made from one single few pages long game that he came up with, and he probably has a bunch of them. So think about it. That can multiply drastically. So people always are searching something right now, and you might be just the guy who has it for them, and you're the one who's going to win from it. The third income stream that I was going to talk about is content creation. It's becoming very popular now. But listen, I'm not talking about becoming, some giant influencer with billions or millions of followers. I'm talking about UGC, user-generated content. So brands need endless of content to run ads and to grow, right? So most of them don't want a celebrity. They want normal people that can relate to other people for other people to buy their products. So you don't need really following as much as you need to know how to film on your phone, really. I have seen creators with zero audience land $1,000 in contracts just to make a batch of 10 clips. Brands pay for raw content that can repurpose. That's the money on the table for everybody who is willing to try it. Number 4, commission-based sales, a one that people scared of the most, but they shouldn't be. It's one of the fastest ways to earn without upfront money. Affiliate marketing, referral sales, high ticket closing. You don't buy anything, you just sell. When you close the deal, you earn money. So you really don't have to come up with the product, invest your own money. You just use, resources like Amazon affiliate links, real estate wholesaling, SaaS for selling like software to the people. Companies will pay you a lot of money to refer customers to them. That's all you have to do, refer customers. It's very simple and no investment. If you can talk to people, you can build relationship. If you recommend products, you can get paid. So zero cost, unlimited upside. And number 5, coaching or consulting. Don't underestimate what you already know. Maybe you're great at fitness. If you mastered at budgeting, or if you know how to run Facebook ads, package that knowledge and sell it. You don't need a fancy website. You just post, direct message people, or offer free sessions until you land paying clients. People will always take freebie, right? So if you offer free service, they will take it and tell them if you like it, we can come up with some subscription-based or monthly payment plan that I can continue do it for you. So I know somebody who started coaching out of their Instagram stories. Just started daily fitness tips. Within a month, they landed paying clients. And why? Because knowledge is valuable and people will pay just to get a shortcut because they don't want to spend endless amount of days and times figuring things out that people already figured out. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. It's already invented. So those are 5 streams you can start in 2025 with $0. It's service-based hustle, digital products, UGC content, sales and commissions, and at the end, coaching. You don't need all 5. Just start with 1, master it, get enough clients, get comfortable with it. And maybe in a year or 2, or maybe same year, add another one, and then add another one, and add another one. And guess what? At the end of the day, you'll realize, oh my God, I have multiple streams of income. And that's what freedom is about. So no, it doesn't really take money to make money. It does take actions. It does take skills, and it takes you showing up when most people don't. Pick one of those today, build it, and I promise you, your life will never be the same. Hey guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe because we're gonna be showing you how to build success step by step. And in the future videos, we'll show you how to build $1 million business from scratch. And we'll show you many of those. So stay tuned.